Mit Jain is a distinguished contemporary artist from Thailand. He is renowned for his unique and vibrant color-based artworks. His creative process involves the use of palette knives, hands, and fingers to produce densely layered pieces that challenge the conventional boundaries of painting. What sets Mit apart is his ability to merge both manual and optical labor, creating artworks that are not only visually striking, but also rooted in a profound physicality. The significance of Mit's work extends beyond the aesthetic realm. It serves as a conduit for engaging with various aesthetic, social, and political contexts. His artistic practice reflects a diverse array of influences, ranging from traditional dichotomies of Western and Eastern painting to the dynamic political landscape of Thailand. Since his return to Thailand in 1992, Mit Jain has actively participated in socially and politically engaged art campaigns. He played a pivotal role in founding 3 non-institutional initiatives crucial to Thai art practice and discourse: Chiang Mai Social Installation, the Midnight University, and the Land Foundation. In 2015, he established Cartelled Art Space in Bangkok, a gallery providing free space for artists to reflect on the political history and current context of the country and region. Furthermore, in 2017, he co-initiated the independent Bangkok Biennale. Silverlens New York is currently hosting Mit Jain's first solo exhibition in the United States. This exhibition, featuring many of his polychromatic, modular, and multiperspectival serial forms developed over his 4-decade career, celebrates Mit's expanded painting as a form of social practice. The exhibition recreates the vibrant and interactive atmosphere of Mit's studio in Chiang Mai, where canvases in distinct shapes and colors hang from beams, overlay floors, and entangle walls. The physical, meditative, and playful rigor of Mit's work is evident in the scale, repetitive mark-making, and dense layers that carry the essence of time within the canvases. Mit's artistic language is deeply rooted in a ritual delineation of sovereign space, drawing inspiration from both anti-hierarchical aspirations of Buddhism and the anti-governable practice of indigenous highland or Zomian cultures to which he belongs.